What's going on, fam? We are back today and I have a little video clip for you guys from a car meet that I went to yesterday, so check this out. There's a cop over there. We had this over here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Watch this, watch this. Oh shit, he's leaving. We are gonna do a couple things today. We gotta go ahead and paint this bash bar. I said on my last video that, you know, it's getting all rusty, you know, all little crust. Just kind of want to paint it. Want to paint it white. Also, I bought some spacers for the MIATA because, like I said on my last one, I'm able to fist this. But we are going to put the spacers on and then go get an alignment throughout the week. I landed on a sick sponsorship. Not going to reveal who sponsored me, but I am going to let you guys know once I receive my package. It should be here by the end of the week. I'm doing an unboxing of some stuff they sent me and some stuff I needed for the MIATA for actual prep day. If you watch my last video, you could kind of tell who sponsored me, but that's for you guys to go find out. I gotta, you know, just make sure everything's all nice and tight up in the car. So when we go to track, there's nothing bad. I don't freaking lose a wheel. I don't, you know, break something. So gotta tighten up all them bolts. Let's get to it. Yup, we all good. I'm getting ready to take this bash bar off. But holy shit, all my tools are hot. Oh, it's pretty hot out here. Yeah, these bitches is hot. So I imagine my bash bar it's not that hot, but damn, why? And it should be ready to come off. Oh yeah, this bastard's hot. Yeah, it's too hot for this shit. This is how my MIATA look without it. Looks pretty clean, but I want it white. Shit, it's looking clean, looking clean. Let's see if it's dry. Yup, finished the bash bar. I just like painted it. It's pretty cool already. The good thing is that it's fucking over 100 degrees out here, so that should dry up fast. And you know, I'm out here with the mountain freaking dew, trying to get all this freaking energy off of it, which probably has none. I'm also gonna be painting my drift wheels. I don't think I have enough paint for all of them, but you know, I'm gonna get 2 started, so by next week I'll finish the rest of them. And let's go get them. So guys, for the new project build, which is gonna be pretty dope, it's gonna be insane. We're actually probably gonna be staging it out here. I just gotta clean up, get rid of some trees that we don't need, and probably level out this whole backyard because everything is uneven out here. We used to have a was a Doberman out here, and he dug up so many holes. So we're gonna start off with these. Here, put that one over there, and come. I'm about to give you another one. There's that one. All right then, go put those over there. Yeah. All right, so I'll probably be painting those not today because I am gonna run out of paint, but I will buy some more paint. I'm planning to do all my wheels white, so hopefully comes out pretty smooth, looks all good. You know the deal, we already painted the freaking bash bar. Don't mind the AC is bumping right now because it's stupid hot inside. Yup, I painted the wheels too. They looking clean. Got the bash bar. I'm gonna install them in a bit, but I'm gonna go grocery shopping and actually let the paint cure. It's kind of hot outside right now still, so that's why I wanted to do it from earlier today. All right, so I stopped painting it yesterday because I had to go to work. Remember how I was painting it right there? So I'm back today. Well, actually I went to work last night and just got off. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna try to finish this video. So these are it. I finished them. These are the wheels, and this is the bash bar, and I gotta hurry up and install it. So let me do that real quick. Freaking looks sick compared to freaking how it was looking before. Oh, crusty and shit. Now it's all nice and white. Those are my drift wheels. I've been saying I still got like 2, 3, probably 4 more pair, but I ran out of white paint. I'm gonna try to keep the white wheels with the white bash bar. Try to have something matching. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget, next video is gonna be it's gonna be showing you guys who sponsored me. They're sending me some stuff actually on Thursday, so hopefully by Thursday or Friday I have a video up. Also, new project car is coming. Don't want to release what it is. It's gonna be a good build for the channel, so stay tuned. That's pretty much it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.